Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Warby Parker affiliate program to promote eyewear, beginner guide step. First, let's visit the Warby Parker website to learn about the brand and their products. Take some time to explore their wide range of eyewear options, including glasses and sunglasses. Sign up for the Warby Parker affiliate program through an affiliate network such as Impact or ShareASale. Create an account on the chosen affiliate platform if you haven't already. Once registered, search for the Warby Parker program and apply to join. Wait for approval from the affiliate program, which usually takes a few days. After acceptance, you'll gain access to affiliate links and marketing materials. Start by reviewing the tools and resources available to affiliates on the platform. Choose which product categories you'd like to promote based on your audience. Create unique content that showcases Warby Parker's eyewear, such as blog posts, social media updates, or videos. Incorporate your affiliate links strategically within your content. Share personal stories or experiences to create a genuine connection with your audience. Utilize high-quality images and user-generated content to enhance engagement. Promote any current discounts or promotions to attract more clicks. Track your performance using the metrics and reports provided by the affiliate network. Optimize your strategy based on the data you collect to improve conversions. Consider using email marketing to reach a broader audience with your affiliate links. Engage with your audience through comments and messages to create trust and rapport. Stay updated with Warby Parker's new product launches or seasonal promotions to refresh your content. Collaborate with other influencers or bloggers in the eyewear niche to expand your reach. Remember to follow the best practices for affiliate marketing to ensure compliance. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully promoting Warby Parker eyewear and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.